Diyan na, Bi. Ah.
Friday pa madayro no? Friday?
Hello everyone, so we're here now in Compostela. Stop over muna kami para makapag-breakfast and makapagpahinga kasi from car to Compostela is a bit tiring. So we have munggos, mainit na sabaw.
Ano ni? Ano ni siya? Ay.
Four hours later.
Alright, time check. It's already 8:49 in the morning and we're here in our first stop in Bamboo Forest, Middelyan, Cebu. So, 9 a.m. pa lang po ata sila mag-open. So, we'll wait for about a few minutes. Hi, love. Welcome to Middelyan. They also have a coffee bar here. Ayan. Hi. Where have you been?
I've been in California.
Sabi mo ganang iced coffee or kanang kag frap mo to is na siya shake siya in a frap series because of whipped cream on top.
Pan na iced coffee
Iced
lang
coffee.
siya. Tagpila na siya.
We have two sizes for your iced caramel macchiato
Kanilang?
regular and upsize.
Kanilang siya.
170.
Sige, sige. So guys, we're here in, ano sa pangalan ni Dong? Bamboo Forest. So, the entrance fee is 30 pesos. And, pwede sila kasulod o mga pets. So, you can bring your pets inside. Come here. Hello, Middelyan! Alright, so hello everyone. So tapos na kami sa Bamboo Forest. So we took some pictures there and cinematic videos and all. And then after this, we'll go to the Sadagat Beach Camp Resort. So, parang few minutes from here lang sila, and then we'll check in, and then we'll set up our camping space. So, see you there. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon po para mas updated kayo sa mga new uploads ko. Murag ka to siya, guys. Murag na siya ko on the boardwalk here. So, nagkuan lang mi diri no, nag-stop over. Asa ta karon? So, nanami diri sa boardwalk here. Nice kaayo siya, guys. The panoramic view is very beautiful. It's a long boardwalk all the way up there. There. Ayan. 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 Ano siya? Yan po. Ayan.
Namalihok pa ni? Lami, ma'am.
Alright guys, so we have arrived na in Sadagat Beach Camp here in Medellin, Cebu, in Kawit, Medellin. So this is actually a beach camping resort. You can bring your car for camping, or you can actually bring your pets as well. So ayan, medyo ano siya, maputi kasi umuulan po kanina, and hopefully wala masyadong tao because today is Friday, July 5, 2024. How was it?
So, kita ka diri?
Hi! Wala, nag-drive ka? Nag-drive ikaw? Hello! Ge, ge, ge! Ang ngayon! Ha? Alright, so ready na namin i-set up ang aming tent here. Ayan. Alright, so hello everyone. So, tapos na kaming mag-set up ng aming camping tent for the next 2 nights, and we're now heading to the restaurant dun sa kabila. because we're super gutom. It's already 11:42 a.m. and we'll eat muna, and then after we'll continue to arrange our tent area, and then chill na lang mamaya. Yan. So ito yung ano nila, restaurant kung saan ka makakapag-order ng food. Tapos ito yung charging station. Ayan, free of charge. Tapos may mga life jackets. Ayan.
Baka pagkatawa.
Hello. Hello po. Alright guys, so we'll eat muna lunch here in Sadagat Beach Camp. Ayan.
A few moments later.
So guys, ito po yung camping setup namin or tent setup for today. Ayan. So, from the beach front, ayan, ito, harap namin is my coconut trees. Tapos sa baba, ito yung tent na supposedly may table siya, pero ginawa na lang namin pang takip in case uulan. Ayan. Ito yung table. Meron kaming butane. Ayan, yun yung tent namin. Tapos, dinala namin yung sila Miggy at si Arya. Hi! Tapos, dito yung car namin. Ayan. Ayan. So, harap lang talaga siya ng beach. Super relaxing. Nakaka-boost ng mental health. Ayan. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, please. 700 subscribers pa tayo, guys. Gawin nating 800 or 900. Thank you, guys, for your support. Shout out sa mga friends you dyan.
Hi guys.
Shout
Thanks
out.
for watching. Shout out to my friends out there in Qatar.
Ikaw, Dai. Shout out. Di man yung anak lang.
Relax kayo siya. Masa dia.
Human drone, human drone.
Go. Toyo ko. Pak. 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 Pak.
Ano yung tuyo ka? Awa. Awa. Alright guys, so it's already I think 1 p.m. and we're just here relaxing in the the beachfront camping, and I really love the view, guys. Super relaxing talaga, and konti pa yung tao, maybe because it's Friday. Check this out, guys, super ganda. Ayan. And the good thing here is they have maintenance. So may mga ano talaga sila, staff na nalilinis sa sand, sa mga garbage dito. So you can really see na malinis yung paligid, malinis yung beach. And the sand is very, very white. Hindi siya powdery, but ano siya, white sand. Ayan. Ayan.
Balay-balay ka tuma. Lapak dito flag
Wow! Umabot ng medallion.
Ano si Arya? Mabot na sa kabantayan?
Si Arya. Okay na si Arya. So guys, if you bring pets, just make sure that you follow their poos. Do not just leave their poos po sa sand kasi bawal siya. So be a responsible pet owner. Ayan. So, ito yung ibang mga tent dito. Ayan. Naroon si Kuya.
Pagka kodro.
Okay.
Dagkog na mga food. Pero ito.
Yan. Yan. Tapos maganda dito, guys. Ano siya? Like parang yung ibang yung ibang amenities inaano lang nila as libre. So dito, libre lang yung shower and yung CR. Hello, ate. Hello. Libre lang magamit og CR? And shower, no? Thank you. Yan. Dito ka rin pwedeng mag-suba-suba. Ayan si kuya nagsuba-suba. Tapos dito yung hugasan. Hello po. Ang daming campers ngayon, guys, because it's Friday and bukas baka mas maraming campers bukas hanggang Sunday. It's 3 p.m. So nagpapaano kami ng isang bottle para tipsy and mag-sleep kami mamaya. Ayan, may mga nag
Kaya pala.
mga nanginhas. Ang tawag sa Tagalog doon, be?
Nanginhos.
Ayan.
Kapag kinitong na ka po ay. Nanabalay na kami ay kami.
Ako na ako Ito ba?
Ayan, relaxing na siya. Alright, so hello guys. Sunset ngayon and pupunta kami ng ng dagat kasi low tide po siya. July 5, maybe around 7 p.m. na po ngayon. And ito po yung setup namin. Ang ganda dito sa dagat po kasi they have the complete basic needs. They also have a security guard that will actually watch the entire beach camp tuwing gabi. Ayan. And they also have proper lighting, no? So the beach camp is really maliwanag at night. Yan po sila. Ito yung silang naka-overnight beach camp. Ayan. Ito po yung ambience tuwing gabi. Ayan. I would say I recommend this beach camp, Sadagat Beach Camp in Kawit, Midillian, because they have everything for the guest, for the campers. This one here, I booked it for 500 per night. Kasama na yung chairs dito at saka table. Pets are allowed so long as they have you clean their own poop. Hindi basta-bastang iniiwan lang. At saka naka-leash for safety po ng other campers. The gates are actually close at 10 p.m. So we're preparing our dinner for tonight. So we will actually make grilled fish for tonight. Alright, so sa mga campers dyan na wanted to find a better beach camp location, you must try Sadagat Beach Camp in Kawit, Midillian. Again, guys, I will enjoy the rest of my evening here in Sadagat Beach Camp. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon po for new uploads notification. See you tomorrow po for day 2.
The next day.
Alright, so it's already July 6, Saturday, and bagong gising kami. Hello, good morning. And we're preparing our breakfast. Very light breakfast lang. Bread, coffee, and cup noodles for today. And guess what? May chika ko kasi, I've realized na pag mag-camping ka po, you have to secure your very valuable belongings kasi yung cup noodles namin na 3, pagising namin, 2 na lang. So, ayan, it's not a big deal. You just need to think na pag camping talaga, it's unsafe if you put your belongings, cell phone, your wallet outside your camping tent. Especially if you have power station. In our case, we hide our butane kasi bago lang yung butane namin, baka may kukuha. Mamaya try namin puntahan yung Fantastic Island. Depende if may joiner strip ng boat papuntang Fantastic Island. Pag wala, hahanap kami ng ibang location. It's raining in the morning. It's 8 o'clock in the morning here in Sadagat, Kawit, Midillian. And the water is rising. So we're taking actually a quick dip here. So the good thing here in Sadagat na water or the beaches, walang yung mga matinik-tinik na maitim, yung tawag namin sa Bisaya is tuyong. So the water is clear. It's so good, and pag pag high tide, hindi masyadong mataas yung shoreline niya.
Yung pinaka-high tide mo.
Ito yung umuulan. So, guys, invite everyone to come here in Midillian.
Correct. Sana ari diri mo sa kuan sa dagat kay. Nice ang dagat, limpyo, peaceful, barato ra, cheap ra.
So what are you waiting for? Come, alik na. Atas ka na mo.
It's raining here, everyone. Raining in my... Alright, so it's our day 2 here in Sadagat Beach Camp. It's already like 10 a.m. and we're having an early lunch here because mamaya maghahanap pa kami ng mga joiners for the Fantastic Island para sa boat kasi medyo pricey siya, but we need to find ways. Happy lunching! Later tonight, during dinner, we plan to buy inihaw na baboy at saka kinilaw. Hello everyone. So, the team decided to push through na pumunta sa Fantastic Island. Worth it naman puntahan since you know nga malayo siya sa chance na mapuntahan namin siya. Kasi baka someday, hindi natin alam kung kailan ulit tayo makabalik dito sa Midillian. So, parang naalala ko, last time na pumunta ako ng Fantastic Island, it was like 2014. So, ilang years na ba? Parang 9 to 10 years ago na. So, I'm not sure ano yung bago na may offer ng Fantastic Island. See you there! Alright, so we're here in the Coast Guard office. And this is actually an unexpected trip because supposedly beach camping lang kami, but I think it's worth to go to Fantastic Island. Di ba, Mima? We're here in Fantastic Island. Ayan. So, niabot kami diri sa Fantastic Island. So, wala pa gihapon ng zipline. But, under construction pa and renovation kay wala pa atop. So, maybe next month or uho na ano siya, balik na ang zipline diri sa Fantastic Island. Ang entrance kay 20 pesos per person. Pila ang cottage te? 500. Day use na siya. Ma, is this your first time in Fantastic Island? What can you say so far? Rate 1 to 10.
8.
And what is your expectation? Hulayat ka? This one? How about the cliff jumping?
I don't know how to.
Can you dare to jump?
Yes.
I
Challenge like. Yes.
I
Challenge like.
How about you, love?
Ano man?
Is this your first time?
Yeah, this is my first time.
So again guys, we'll explore the place first and mag-settle down muna kami. And again, please do not forget to subscribe po sa YouTube channel natin. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, keep on watching. Hello, kasi mo ambak ninyo. Wala.
Di ba daw, uy?
Maulaw man sila.
Kapag related sa kuan.
So, lain na siya color, guys, no? Mara colorful na siya. Combination of blue, yellow, and pink. Ayan. But still, the water is very crystal clear, blue, turquoise, and all of that. So good. Very steep. Look at this, guys. Ito po yung zip line. Pero under construction pa siya kasi wala pang bubong. But soon enough, baka pwede na tong ma-open sa public. Ayan, guys. You ready?
Di ba daw, depende na sa pink, uy.
balik ka. Sa?
Pwede na magdungat tag, ambak ko niya yung mag-hug.
Maganda pa rin yung Fantastic Island, guys. I must say na it's worth to visit pa rin siya. Pero sana may mga additional like activities kagaya ng zip line. Na-miss ko yung zip line. Maybe mag-vlog ko sila ng mga activities dito na pwedeng gagawin ng mga guests or visitors. Nasa kami? Tok-tok ng Fantastic Island. Dugay ko siya ni Saka.
Ay, balang kayo!
Ready? Ready, go love! Go love! Woo! Ilabay din. Woo! Tora nga to! How was the experience?
It's fantastic.
Fantastic jump.
Fantastic jump siya, no? That is the highest
Na-jump ni mo
highest
so far.
jump that I made so far, and it's so nice.
Was it higher in Siargao? Or
Yeah, this is higher.
okay.
And
Would you try again?
Yes, of course. This is my second time.
Baby, are you ready? Go! Go! Go!
Okay, kaya ka
You can...
Straight lang yung ano sakit.
Ay, tanaw sa bus.
Tanong ni tanan sa video ba?
Hala, ang baby mo! Ambak po si baby! Oh my God! Ah! Woo! Hala, oh my God! Ang salapit! Sunod-sunod! Oh! Woo! Ready? Asa man imong life jacket?
Nawag na niya kung pagkaya ay pungit na ko.
Ready? Go, Jonabe! Go, Jonabe!
Wala din ko.
Nara dyan na, samahin mo Jonabe, pero kung tanaw mo sa likod, murag mabuo na dyan na siya.
May naglayat, wala ka siya. Piling
Ah.
na nimo. Pero pag... Alright. This is my second time. Uy, goodbye!
Ang sorry din eh. Hindi ko gagawin.
It's my turn para ako na naman ang mag-jump. Pero dito lang tayo, guys. Ako din eh.
Yay! Yay!
Pwede na. Wait lang. Magkakak mga duhak ka mag-imay ka Maria.
Go, 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 go!
Dito, sorry.
So, mulutaw na dyan ko, guys.
Kumarita na dyan ka.
Mulutaw na dyan ko, guys.
Sige, happy for you.
Proven and tested.
Ay, padung ko duha. Ito ba pa ba naman?
Nag-practice, guys.
Ay, la pangupot. Layo pa, layo pa. Confident.
Ay, go kunin mo.
Nakainom.
Hello? Okay guys, so it's already 2 p.m. and we're done na sa among visit here in Fantastic Island. So, good job and congratulations to Love kasi naka 3 times siyang tumalon sa highest cliff sa Fantastic Island. Si Junabe kay naunahan ng takot po sa pag-jump sa cliff. Kami diri sa asa ni name nga sandbar kuya?
Pasil.
Pasil Sandbar.
Amo anay paso. Dagas pambo.
Ayan, sandbar. Ayan. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay lang, mali pwede to. Ako may pwede lang mo yan, dari lang.
A few moments later.
So today guys is Saturday. So mukhang marami-rami pong nag-camp today. Ayan. Puno-puno siya. Ayan. Yan sila. Andun pa doon. Meron pa doon cafe.
The next day.
Hello everyone. So, good morning. It's already 8:30 in the morning and it's our last day here in Sadigat Beach Camp. And as you can see, kakagising muna namin kasi kagabi matagal kaming natulog kasi nag light boost pa kami kagabi with tuna tea. So again guys, this concludes my camping vlog here in Medellin. And again, if you are actually new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for new uploads ko po. Hello guys! So, ayan, pauwi na kami ng Cebu, Carcar City, and we've enjoyed a lot. Thank you sa pagsubaybay sa amin sa vlog na to. Until our next vlog in Iloilo next month, please share, comment, and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye!